A lot of people are really worried about how to keep their pets safe during this coronavirus outbreak. I'm Dr. Lisa Littman, and I'm here to answer some of your most frequently asked questions. The question I'm getting asked the most frequently is, will my pet's health be affected by the coronavirus? The good news is that as of this time, there is no evidence to support that animals can become infected with the human coronavirus. However, things are changing rapidly, and it's really important to be able to get your information from reputable sources. This includes the CDC, the Yahoo, the World Small Animal Veterinary Association, and your veterinarian. Can your pet be a carrier of the coronavirus? Well, just as other surfaces or things that you come into contact with can carry the coronavirus, it's possible that the virus can live on our pets. So things that you can do to take action and keep everybody around them and your pet safe would be to bathe them more frequently, prevent them from kissing your face as much as we love them right now, and wash your hands before and after you come into contact with them. And in terms of them passing it on to other pets, because right now we don't think that they can be infected with the human coronavirus, we don't think that they can pass it to other pets. Should you let other people pet your dog at this time? Well, out of an abundance of caution, and again, practicing those rules of social distancing, you might want to say no. It may seem a little rude at the time, but you'll probably be thankful later. What can I do to prepare in case there's a quarantine? What I'd recommend is to have about a month of supplies on hand. So that doesn't mean buying the entire store, but stock up for about a month. That means a month's worth of medication, a month's worth of food for your pet, and even having some new toys or puzzle toys, things to keep them mentally and physically stimulated. In terms of going outside to walk your pet, the rules of social distancing should still apply. And if you're not feeling well or your pet's not feeling well, then it'll be really important to check with your physician or your veterinarian to see what they recommend. What should I do if my pet experiences an emergency during this time? Well, at this time, general veterinary practices and emergency veterinary practices should still be open. You can also see if your veterinarian does house calls like I do. That will limit your exposure and limit your pet's exposure to anybody else, and you can continue to practice social distancing at that time. And if you're not feeling well, please let your veterinarian know ahead of time so that they don't put anybody else in jeopardy. Keep an eye out for the latest medical advice from your favorite trusted news source.